So today we start with the second exercise of similar triangles. We have already completed question 1, 2 and 3. Now we are going to do question 4, 5 and 6, right? So in question number 4, 5 and 6, what do we observe here? This is a triangle ABC. It is given to us that DF is parallel to AE and DE is parallel to AC. And what do we have to prove? We have to prove that BF by FE equal to BE by EC. BF by FE equal to BE by EC, right? So remember, the basic proportionality theorem is only valid for a triangle in which one line is parallel to a side of a triangle. So if I am looking at this triangle, first ABE, DF is parallel to AE. So what happens? I can say BF by FE is equal to BD by DA, right? BF by FE equal to BD by DA. So that's your equation 1. Then we go to the next triangle. The next triangle is ABC. In triangle ABC, DE is parallel to AC. DE is parallel to AC. So what happens? BE by EC is equal to BD by DA. ठीक है, ये लाइन इसके parallel है, तो BE by EC equal to BD by DA. So what do we observe in 1 and 2? That BD by DA common है. If BD by DA is common, we can equate these two, and therefore what will happen? BF by FE is equal to BE by EC. So that's how we prove the fourth part. Then question 5. In question number 5, we are given a figure PQR, and it is given to you that DE is parallel to OQ, and here DF is parallel to OR. Okay, so we have to prove that DF is parallel to QR. So how do we prove this? First, we are going to take this triangle. Which triangle? This is triangle POQ. In triangle POQ, DE is parallel to QO given. Therefore, you use basic proportionality theorem. PE by EQ is equal to PD by DO. PE by EQ is equal to PD by DO, right? Then we go to the next triangle. Which triangle is that? Triangle POR. In triangle POR, what is given? It is given that DF is parallel to OR. Now remember, the BPT can only be applied if there are parallel lines. So if I am saying that this is parallel to this, which is given to us, then I can say that PD by DO equal to PF by FR. Okay, PD by DO equal to PF by FR. Now look at the first two equations. So if you look at the first two equations, what is common here? PD by DO is common. PD by DO common आ गया, then we can equate these two. So what will we get? PE by EQ is equal to PF by FR. Now PE by EQ equal to PF by FR आ गया. So what is this conclusion? The conclusion, we can say that EF is parallel to QR. EF is parallel to QR by converse of basic proportionality theorem. Why? Because the converse says that if two sides are divided in the same ratio, then lines are parallel. So first I have applied BPT, again I have applied BPT, conclusion I have got PE by EQ equal to PF by FR. If two sides of a triangle are in the same proportion, then we can say that the line is parallel to the third side. So I can say that EF is parallel to QR, right? So converse of BPT. Then the next question, question number 6, almost similar to question 5. The figure is slightly different. Here AB is parallel to PQ, AC is parallel to PR. Again, we have to prove that BC is parallel to QR. So same procedure. First, it is given to you in triangle POR, it is given to you that AC is parallel to PR. If AC is parallel to PR, then we will apply BPT. We can say PA by AO is equal to RC by CO. PA by AO equal to RC by CO. Okay, that's basic proportionality here. If I am taking the next triangle, which is that next triangle, triangle POQ. If I am taking triangle POQ, I can say PA by AQ is equal to QB by BO. So I have got two equations now. If I compare the two equations, what happens? I find that QB by BO is equal to PA by AQ. That was our first. And the second equation, if I am comparing, PA by AO is equal to RC by CO, what do we observe? That PO by AO is common. Okay? PA by AO is common. So if PA by AO is common, then what happens? We can equate the RHS. So what will we get? QB by BO is equal to RC by CO. Okay? QB by BO is equal to RC by CO. Okay, this is O. QB by BO is equal to RC by CO. So if QB by BO equal to RC by CO, then by converse of BPT, what is the conclusion? BC is parallel to QR, because converse says that in a triangle, if a line divides the two sides in the same ratio, then that line is parallel to the third side. So QB by BO equal to RC by CO we have proved. Therefore we can say that this line is parallel to this. Reason we'll write converse of basic proportionality theorem.